everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change your password for Remitly. Changing your password on Remitly account is a quick and a straightforward process. So let's jump into the video right away. Tap open your Remitly application from your app drawer. Make sure to log into your account as well. From the main homepage, tap on the Manage button appearing at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the Profile options from the display. Scroll down to Password option and tap on Edit right next to Password. Enter the current password for your Remitly account in the first text box. Once you are done, enter the new password you would like to change to on the next field. Confirm the new password by typing it again in the next field. And finally, tap on Save. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password on Remitly. Next time you log into your account, you will now need to enter the newly updated password. So that's how it can be quickly and easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.